the requirement is fulfilled by
okurugera hari ripoti yashoziwe ekitongore kya polisi omwaka gw'2023 emishango erikwingana 245 eya cyber crimes niyo yakozirwe kandi egeremu abafere okutahirira esimu yawe bakiba sente ha mobile money omu banka okufera ngu wahangura sente okujumira n'aha internet hamwe n'endijo mingi.
In the recent past, we have seen cybercrime ranging from cyber attacks, electronic facilitated crime and frauds, trafficking in persons, child pornography, stalking, cyber terrorism, intellectual property rights infringement, industrial property and design espionage, online hacking and alteration of data. There is illegal vending of financial loan proving entities and selling of counterfeit products.
Kavumagizire ngo omushomo ogu nigwija kubahwera okucenga ebirikuhinduka omu mateeka baba nibahurikiriza emishango egi.
Many times you would think I'm up country, this doesn't bother me much, but like I've said, cybercrime has no boundaries, so you're sure to get a case in one way or another.
Because this will help judicial officers to appreciate the process and know what to expect in court. It is critical for judicial officers to appreciate the court's role in adjudication of cyber crimes, to know how and when to admit the evidence in these cases, and how the evidence should be presented on the court record.
Rwangagizire ngu nk'itendekero okuheereza abaramuzi obukugu omu bwire obu nabo kugira ngu habiireho empindahinduka omu tekinologiya kandi nibija kukiteekamu amaani.
Therefore, equipping judicial officers with the knowledge and skills to adjudicate cybercrime cases is one of the priority areas in this area of information technology that needs urgent attention. And the Judicial Training Institute, whose key function is to provide specialized and continuous training to judicial staff, is committed to this cause.
We've seen this first of all through election petitions, where there were issues. I think during the last election cycle is when these issues of deepfakes became very common, where people forge and put an image or face on another in someone's body and say that he has committed something or has given money here or there. And it was difficult for these courts to be able to interpret this evidence, for these courts to also deliver judgments that basically broke down some of these ingredients to some of these issues.
Omwaka gw'2022 sente zirikwingana obuhumbi 19 bukiibwa abafere omu Uganda barikufera okurabira omu kukoresa tekinologiya. Gasha kwa Dorfa Yoreka.